Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wrike account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a new project into your Wrike account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a new project into Wrike anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business running different projects with different customers, Wrike's a popular way to organize those different projects, to keep everybody on the same page. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wrike account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a new project, first what you're going to do is make sure you're working in the correct space. So for example, here we have our marketing team space. However, if you want to change that, just click on this space. So you can see I only have marketing and personal. So let's say that this is going to be a project for the cooking staff. So I would just click here on space and add a new space. Okay. And then you can go ahead and choose whichever template applies to your particular space. So I'll just do this one, event management, and use template. Okay. So now you can see that we created an event management space. So what we're going to do now is under that space, we're going to look for this line, projects and folders, and we're going to click on the plus icon next to it. Okay, so now we're going to add a new project. So let's say this team, they're going to be working on cooking Chinese food. So we'll just add Chinese food. And here we can go ahead and add other team members if you want, and the start date, due date. You can go ahead and fill this out. This is going to be different depending on which template you chose. And then once you filled all of this out, you go ahead and click on create. Okay, so now we have created a new project right here. And what we can do is we can keep continuing add new projects in for this event management group to work on. So let's say that we have another project about Mexican food. So we'll just go ahead and name this Mexican food. And then same thing, you'll go ahead and fill this out. You can add in different project assignee and then create. Okay, so now we have two different projects going on. One is for Chinese food and the other one is for Mexican food. Now, each one of these projects, you can go ahead and invite other members in at a later date. So if you have new assistants that are coming in or different employees that need to be up to date on this project, just click into the project. And then up here on the right, you can click on share. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and start adding people in by their email. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new project into your Wrike account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.